desert again, and it snowed last night, but nothing was going to keep us. So I'm out here with a couple of my favorite battle buddies, getting some miles in. There's a rabbit. That was cool. All kinds of wildlife out here. We gotta watch out for the grizzlies though. This is grizzly country. Yeah, the whoops are definitely making you earn it today. I don't even care about the snow. I'm just fighting through the whoops. I have definitely been out of shape. It definitely affects your endurance when you take some time off. Definitely many times here I can feel my front end kind of drifting. If you just keep your momentum and your balance, you don't fall down. Kind of cool. The terrain is always changing per the weather. You get some like mud or rock cave-ins that kind of come down into the canyon. They change the path here. Ooh, that was cool. It's like just warming it up enough to kind of be tacky. That's cool. Most of you guys out there that race the desert, this is probably embarrassing. Yeah. All right. Oh wow, that's a lot. That's a lot tighter than mine. Huh. All right, give it a shot. 2024 300 XC GI. Got all the bells and whistles. So this is the other XP forks. I already like the forks, I'll tell you that right now. that's depressing. I just started to love my own forks, so. Alright, some more people out here. Well, I'm testing out the 300 for real this time. I've kind of always messed with it around the house and the shop, and I've never taken it out anywhere. And looks like the desert is my first experience. It's nimble. That's one thing I'll say. It is nimble. Woo. Got the power. I'm a little timid. Ooh. I sure like the steering dampener. That's for sure. That looks cool. What's up there? Wow. How neat. This is cool. Oh, really? What a neat spot. Huh. Look at this. You can ride a bike through here probably. What? Man, the amount of water that had to come through here to do all this. How cool. Wow. Huh? This is neat. Dang. This took a lot of water. Yeah, it's true. What do we got? Juggernaut is here or something? Huh? How cool. See, do I break my ankle now? Oh. That was slick. Oh, look at this. Dude. Wow. Let's see. I gotta keep going, right? There you go. That's where I'll put my sleeping bag right there. Oh, there's a... Wow. There's a fire pit over here too. Wow. Oh, cool. Nope, I take it back. I'll put my sleeping bag right in there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's where I'd sleep. That's probably where the coyotes sleep too. All right. How cool.
Hand down.
Almost. Tight squeeze. This is pretty cool.
What do you think of the 300?
Yeah, that's nimble. That's a good machine, man. I immediately fell in love with the forks like right away. Yeah, I think if I had it, I would push. I'd push the fork. Oh yeah.
And it's also hard to tell because you got the stabilizer on this one.
Yeah, the stabilizer helps for sure.